In this video, we are going to show you how to bulk add tags to products in Shopify. If you want to bulk add tags to all the products in your store, it's very simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are in your admin dashboard, I want you to look at the left-hand side. This is going to be all the options that you have on your dashboard. Now, I want you to click on products, right? And once you click on products, you're going to see all on the product page, you're going to see all the products that is available on your store, whether it's on stock or not. And for example, you want to add, tags to all of this. It's very easy. All you need to do is click on, if you want to go manually one by one, or if you just want to click all of them. And then once everything is clicked or chosen, you want to click on the three dots here, So this pop-up will appear and you want to click on add tags, right? So add tags like so. And make sure that you have tags, right? So there you go, add clothes, there you go. And then click save. And as you can see, it is now added. And all you need to do is do that to every tag or every product you have on your store, and you will be ready. So pretty much it, that's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.